he's gonna sit down in it. He's gonna lay down in it. Up, he's gonna lay down. Up, there he goes. It's hot day, huh, Hammy? It's hot today, Dad. Daddy got you the tiny infant pool. He needs a bigger pool.
I think he wants some carrots. Oh, sorry, baby.
Yep, he's gonna go. He's playing.
Now it's dirty. Oh, don't lay on it. Get in it.
Look at the color of the water.
That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That feel good? Gonna get some clean water.